This is the natural frequency calculator for mass spring systems, which determines the oscillation characteristics of a simple spring mass system. The calculator has two input fields. First is mass, marked as lowercase m, where you enter the mass value. Second is spring stiffness, marked as lowercase k, where you enter the spring stiffness value. For our demonstration, I'll use a mass of 10 and a spring stiffness of 10. After entering these values and clicking Calculate Natural Frequency, the calculator provides three key results. The natural frequency is 0.1592 Hz, which tells us the system completes approximately 0.16 oscillations per second. The angular natural frequency is 1,000 radians per second, representing the rotational frequency often used in engineering calculations. The period is 6.22832 seconds, indicating the time required for one complete oscillation cycle. These results are fundamental for understanding vibration behavior, designing isolation systems, and preventing resonance in mechanical structures. Whether you're analyzing machine foundations or suspension systems, these values are essential for proper engineering design. Find the link in the description below.